Hello everyone, my name is Nick and I'm the CEO and the owner of Abington Smile Center Dental Office and Shark Dental Academy School of Dental Assisting. Today I want to share my experience working with Josh and his company GMAX. It's been a very good experience. We've been together for over 2 years. He helped me open my dental assisting school, he helped me get the students for the dental assisting school. He also helped me with the dental office side of the business by helping us achieve over 200 new patients every month. Before working with him, we were at about 150 new patients every month. He also trained my front desk. He helped them schedule more patients, schedule them more efficiently. He helped them sound better on the phone. We keep getting good feedback and compliments on how well our front desks are trained, and that all of that is thanks to Josh. We are also working on getting specific type of patients. Unlike other marketing companies, we're able to tell Josh the type of patients that we want. We want, for example, emergency patients or implant patients, Invisalign, and this is what he delivers. He also helped me hire a dentist. He helped me with lots of decisions in my daily practice. Hiring decisions, firing decisions, getting more people, putting a practice up for sale. For all of those advices, I go to Josh, and I feel that he is a great asset to have. Also, he is a good friend of mine. I consider him a partner because we've been through lots of things together over those 2 years, and he helped me tremendously. I recommend that you work with Josh and GMAX if you own a dental office, or if you're just considering of purchasing your first dental practice. Also, if you own a dental assisting school, definitely Josh is the person to go to with every aspect, with every step of your way. He's gonna be able to help you.